Judas in my toast. I see Elvis all the time. I like Fox abuse the most, and talk radio sickos lime. My religion is the best. My politics are just right. My opinion's quite correct. My conspiracy's bona fide. Could have been really great. I could have been a contender, but I really hate to cogitate. I'm a fantasy land dead ender. The earth was made in 7 days, 6,000 years ago. I don't believe in climate change, it's a flat earth, I just know. I once had Bigfoot hid in my sight, holding hands with a slender man.